Welcome back, and this is going to be a very short video because ayusin ko lang yung camera ko. We are going to install Trust Badge on a booster team. Now, every team, iba-iba ang line of code niyan and iba yung HTML code niyan. So, for this demo, we are going to actually make our product look better. So, kung makikita natin dito sa Shinrai natin, this is what it looks like if we click Learn More. And if you want to see, I'm using Google Chrome by the way. If you go right click and inspect, this is what it looks like sa mobile. Wala add to cart natin. But we want to actually install a Trust Badge. Okay, so how do you actually install a Trust Badge? Number one, go to my site of gokito.philippines. And you can actually right-click this one and save image. Ito muna yung gamitin nyo just for this demo until I can upload a new Trust Badge. Okay? So, save image nyo to. And then, punta tayo sa last card. Okay, sa last card natin, go to Settings. And then go to Files. Okay, go to Files. So, I already pre-saved it. And then you upload the file and upload nyo yung file ng Trust Badge. So, dito sa demo natin, nakasave na yung Trust Badge ko. So, what's the next step? Click nyo to and right-click and copy. So, you're going to copy this link. Okay, and then go back to online store. You can actually pause this kung medyo mabilis yung tutorial ko. Okay, so you go to Actions and you go to Edit Code. Okay, now, on this specific demo, you're gonna go to scroll down, you go to section, and you go to product template.liquid. So, ito yung itsura ng ano natin Okay, now, you go to line 459. Am I correct? Tama ba? Or 649? Hanapin natin. Hanapin natin Saan natin lalagay? Ito pala. Division Class Product Single Description RTE. So, ibig sabihin kasi ito yung product details description. We want to put it here. So, let's try to actually put it here. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new line and I'm going to do this code. Open nyo yung arrow. Okay, nasa keyboard nyo yan. And then, type img src equals, okay, double quote, and then you close it. Okay, you can pause this tutorial if it's medyo mahirap sa inyo. And then dito sa inside ng dalawang double quote, sa middle niyan, paste nyo yung link nung kaninang Trust Badge natin. Okay? So, gusto ko ilagay yung Trust Badge sa taas ng product description. Okay? Hit save dito sa top right. And let's see if gumana. Let's just refresh this one. And ayun. So, nakita natin, gusto kong ilagay. So, you can actually put this wherever you want. But for me, nilagay natin siya sa taas ng product description. So, now our product details page looks more legit. Tapos sa settings ng booster, alisin natin itong read more para hindi na siya makiklik yung audience. Okay? So this tutorial, very short lang. That is how you actually install a Trust Badge on a booster team. Take note, kung ibang team ang gamit nyo, it's possible na ibang line number sa code. Maaaring hindi siya sa line 605. Okay? So you can actually view that on the basic course. Ibang line ang ginamit natin. But for this tutorial, we are using booster team. And see you on our next episode.